Hey guys, so I spoke to Oscar regarding his premium website, and it's not working for him as his definition of a luxury website is completely different than that our premium website is offering, but he's willing to try to customize a little bit. So maybe if we quote him based on what he wants, maybe he will proceed and pay that so we can proceed and make those changes. So his definition of a luxury website is all about big sections with nice photos, buttons that will lead to certain page. Something similar like this website, malcolmhasman.com, is also out of Vancouver. As and you can see, there is nice photos in the back with the button that will lead to a certain page, as you can see. And it doesn't have to be the same. Maybe we can have, let's say, on Oscar's website, maybe we can, let's say, for this section, we can have a one big photo of nice Vancouver house in the back with the button to go to these communities. For the feature services, maybe we can do the same, or maybe we can try and go with the option that this guy has, something like this, request and evaluation, blah blah blah, and those kind of stuff. And then there's also this website for this guy that he has just on a homepage with these buttons. But when you go there, you'll be seeing this style with the listings, and here is the menu, which goes to a different pages. I don't think this one will work for Oscar, so I think Malcolm will be something he would like to pursue, but it doesn't have to be like this completely. We can make the, for example, feature services, they can be bigger in like four big photos or just two for Homeward and Street Match, for example, with the buttons. Then for the feature listings, we can have the section with a nice photo, which will go to his featured listings. This could be arranged in a different way with some button with a nice photo in the back. This can be the same. It doesn't have to be changed. And what is also important for Oscar is that, as you can see on DJ's website, when you go to the properties and to certain property, he would like to have these listings open in this way with a lot of photos as a gallery and everything that shows similar to this, as we did for the, I believe there's a client Ahmad that Dina did that for a custom. So he's all about these photos. So he was thinking that the website should be with the photos and all of that stuff. So please let me know your comments on this and what will be the best for the client to try. Are we able to make these changes on the premium? How much money will it be? Or is it better to go completely custom? And we will see. We will let client know. Let me know if you need more details and ping me and I will explain. Thanks.